Welcome to FM Education Academy, a place where quality content is provided to all students. It is on your request that we provide educational videos daily. So please, if you find this video helpful, then like this video, share this video with your friends, and also please subscribe to this channel and turn the bell notification on. Observe this question. Third section, first question, third bit of trigonometry. Prove 3 into sine theta minus cos theta whole power 4 plus 6 into sine theta plus cos theta whole square plus 4 into sine power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta is equals to 13. Now don't worry that here it is sine power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta, and here it is sine theta minus cos theta whole power 4. How to open this? I'll tell you. It's very easy. Okay, so watch till the end. And here a brand new idea of class 11th maths trigonometry will be introduced in this video. So a new formula is there which is in class 11th or inter first year maths. So the formula here is sine 2 theta is equals to 2 sine theta cos theta. This is the formula which you have in class 11th and you should know it. Sine 2 theta is equals to 2 sine theta cos theta, or if you are given 2 sine theta cos theta, you should make it equal to sine 2 theta. Quickly learn this formula. So here if you observe this question, what we should take here? We should take the LHS, that is 3 into sine theta minus cos theta whole power 4 plus 6 into sine theta plus cos theta whole square plus 4 into sine power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta, and the final answer which you should get is RHS, that is 13. So LHS is 3 into sine theta minus cos theta whole power 4 plus 6 into sine theta plus cos theta whole square plus 4 into sine power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta. Now 3 into, you can write this sine theta minus cos theta whole power 4 as, we know 2 power 2 is 4. So this 4 can be written as 2 into 2. That is sine theta minus cos theta square, and then again we can write whole square. Remember a power mn is equals to a power m into n. This formula, a power mn is equals to a power mn, that is nothing but a power m into n only. So here also 2 into 2 is 4. So we are splitting this 4 as, this is a only, sine theta minus cos theta whole power mn. So mn here is 2 into 2, that is 4. Plus 6 into, what is this? This is of the form of a plus b whole square. We know what is a plus b whole square. That is a basic identity. A plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So a here is sine theta if you compare, and b here is cos theta. So write it in the form of RHS, a square plus b square plus 2ab sine square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sine theta cos theta plus 4 into, now I have showed you one thing, exponents, a power mn can be written as a power mn. Similarly, this sine power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta, this sine power 6 theta also 6 we can write as 3 into 2, because we know 3 2s are 6. So we can write this as sine square theta whole power 3 a power mn. Plus similarly you can write cos power 6 theta as cos square theta whole power 3. Here m is 2, n is 3. Observe, m is 2, n is 3. It is in the form of a power mn is equals to a power mn only. Earlier it was m into n is 6. And we have split this 6, so it is becoming square whole cube. Okay. So why am I writing this as a square, a cube and cube outside? Because we can write this as algebraic identity a cube plus b cube. It will be easy to expand a cube plus b cube. That is the reason why I am writing this as sine square theta whole cube plus cos square theta whole cube. So now 3 into, keep this 2 as it is only. Okay. What is this? Sine theta minus cos theta whole square. It is of the form of a minus b whole square. What is a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Here a is sine theta and b is cos theta. So LHS form is given to us. We have to write it in the form of RHS. So a square, that is sine square theta, plus b square, that is cos square theta, minus 2ab, that is 2 into sine theta cos theta, plus 6 into, observe this, here we have sine square theta plus cos square theta. What is sine square theta plus cos square theta formula? 1. We know that. Which formula we are using? Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So in place of sine square theta plus cos square theta, I will write 1 plus 2 sine theta. Again, remember I said we have a formula, sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta cos theta. So in place of 2 sine theta cos theta, what can I write? 2 sine theta cos theta is equals to sine 2 theta. So in place of 2 sine theta cos theta, I will write sine 2 theta. Okay, plus 4 into, this is of the form of a cube plus b cube. We have an algebraic identity of a plus b whole cube. Remember, what is the algebraic identity of a plus b whole cube? A plus b whole cube is equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. This is our identity for a plus b whole cube. But we don't want a plus b whole cube. Here we have a cube plus b cube. That is, this part is there here, a cube plus b cube. So from this formula, we will keep a cube plus b cube on RHS only. Okay, that is a cube plus b cube will keep on one side, that is on LHS. And what do we have here? A plus b whole cube. So from this identity, we'll bring this plus 3ab into a plus b on the LHS. So when plus 3ab into a plus b goes on that side, it becomes minus 3ab into a plus b. How did I get this formula of a cube plus b cube? From this algebraic identity of a plus b whole cube. So here if you observe, what is a? A is sine square theta, because it is sine square theta whole cube. So a here is sine square theta. And compare this b cube with cos square theta whole cube. B is cos square theta because it is b cube. So in this formula, what is A? A is sine square theta and B is cos square theta. Now 4 into a plus b whole cube, a cube plus b cube. So a cube plus b cube is a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. So a here is sine square theta. So sine square theta plus a plus b whole cube. B is cos square theta. Whole cube is there. So whole cube minus 3 into AB. A here is sine square theta into B here is cos square theta into we have A plus B. That is A here is sine square theta plus B here is cos square theta, and then we'll close the square bracket. Okay. So we have 3 into, again observe this. This is of the form of sine square theta plus cos square theta. What is sine square theta plus cos square theta? 1. So this becomes 1 minus, we have, here also we have whole square. Remember I said this square was applied initially, a minus b whole square, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Still one square is remaining. Now here we have 2 sine theta cos theta. What is 2 sine theta cos theta? 2 sine theta cos theta is sine 2 theta. So in place of 2 sine theta cos theta, we will write sine 2 theta plus, now we cannot do anything to this, right? Already 2 sine theta cos theta we wrote as sine 2 theta. So we will just multiply this 6 with 1 and we'll multiply this 6 with sine 2 theta, because 6 is before the bracket, so it belongs to both the terms. So 6 ones are 6 plus 6 into sine 2 theta, here we have plus 4 into, okay, I'll write here plus 4 into, what is sine square theta plus cos square theta? Sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1, and then we have cube, so I'll write cube minus 3 into sine square theta cos square theta. Again we have sine square theta plus cos square theta. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1, that is into 1, because it was minus 3ab into a plus b, this was into. Now let us close the bracket, and here we had whole square, right? So this can be written as 3 into, again it is of the form of a minus b whole square. What is a minus b whole square? A square plus b square minus 2ab. A here is 1, b here is sine 2 theta. So a square means 1 square minus b square means sine square 2 theta. A square plus b square, that is sine square 2 theta, minus 2ab, that is 1 into sine 2 theta. Then we have plus 6 sine 2 theta plus 4 into 1 whole cube is 1 minus 3 into sine square theta cos square theta into 1 is 3 sine square theta cos square theta only, because we know anything multiplied by 1 is the number itself. So these are the formulas which we are using in this sum. Okay, I have written like this. You can also write in the exam. You will feel easy. Okay, so let us close the bracket. Then we have 3 into 1 square is 1 plus sine square 2 theta minus 2 sine 2 theta plus 6 sine 2 theta plus, now what we'll do is 4 into, we'll open this bracket, 4 ones are 4 minus 4 threes are 12 sine square theta cos square theta. Okay, now we can write this as, open the bracket with each term, 3 into 1 is 3 plus 3 into sine square 2 theta is 3 sine square 2 theta minus 3 into 6 is minus 6 sine 2 theta plus 6 sine 2 theta plus 4 minus 12 sine square theta cos square theta. Okay, now what we can do? What you do is you will add the constants. Here we have 3 plus 6 is 9 and 9 plus 4 is 13. Let us write the constant 13 here, and here we have plus 3 sine square 2 theta. Here we have minus 6 sine 2 theta and here we have plus 6 sine 2 theta. So both will get cancelled because one is minus, one is plus and both are same. And what are we left with? We are left with minus 12 sine square theta cos square theta. Now here we have square. What is our general formula? 2 sine theta cos theta is sine 2 theta. But here we are having square, right? So what we can do? We can write this as sine square theta cos square theta. Here we have, so we can write this sine square theta cos square theta as you want, 2 sine theta cos theta. But here we are having square square. So what we can do? We can write this as 2 sine theta cos theta and whole divided by 4. So why are we dividing by 4? Because observe this identity. 2 sine theta cos theta is sine 2 theta. We want to make this as sine 2 theta. But here you are having square and square. So since we are having square and square, we need to divide by 4 because in the numerator we are writing by into 2. Right. So since it is square, we are dividing by 4. Here we are writing this sine square theta cos square theta as 2 into sine square theta cos square theta, that is, it is of this form. Okay, only difference is square is there and we are dividing by 4 because we want to write this as sine 2 theta. So now it will be 13 plus 3 sine square theta. Here what do we have? 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12 minus 3 into 2 sine theta cos theta is sine 2 theta. But here we are having square, so square 2 theta. Right, here we are having square 2 theta. See, 2 theta. Okay, so here 13 plus 3 into sine square theta minus 3 into sine square 2 theta. So sine plus 3 sine square 2 theta and minus 3 sine square 2 theta will get cancelled. What are we left with? We are left with 13, that is equals to RHS. Observe the question. In our question we had to prove it equal to 13 only. So we got the value of 3 into sin theta minus cos theta whole power 4 plus 6 into sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus 4 into sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta as 13. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you have understood this video. If you understood this video and if you found this video helpful, then please like, share, subscribe, click that bell icon.